Hey guys, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can replace Google Assistant with Gemini AI on your Android device. So keep watching till the very end. And let's begin with the video. First things first, open up your Google app on your mobile device. Ensure that you have the latest version of the app installed. Now, click on the profile icon at the top right of the screen. From here, choose Settings. Once you're in the app settings, select Google Assistant from the available options. Scroll down and find Digital Assistants from Google and tap on it. This way, you'll be able to switch from Google Assistant to Gemini AI. Now, if I try to open my Google Assistant, it'll allow me to use Gemini AI. So that's basically how you can replace your Google Assistant with Gemini AI. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.